The regional political party belonging to Khun Hynniewtrep Awakening Movement Khun today said it will field its candidate to contest the Mawryngkneng By-Assembly Election. The seat fell vacant following the death of Congress legislator David Pingrop on the 2nd of February this year. Addressing a press conference at Shillong Press Club, the president of Khun Albert Nongrum informed that he is the president of the party in view of the decision given by the Election Commission of India. He explained that today's press conference was to enlighten the voters that he is the president of Khun and to reject the claim of Pendap Borthiao Saibon on any other person of the party as presidents of Khun.
Represent the case kajui. Boflay yasong ka briefing ko ba lakan siya ka status jong kanam. Tigi do nang record ro ka full team jong ka CC new members jong ka office jong ka kanam. Ya niwan kanam siya pi kanam ni open ai ka jing siya. Mari sutu ba gajia ganti kanam matala jan arpos nam. Ngim par simala or pois ka thong amar sipun ba ki internal dispute ko ba por ba khai ka kanam. Hadu mata ti ngingit skem ru ba kani kanong ko pasai kadar ki pai ba ber kumju ki parlok ki jongi ki bola yalang teng ki khanam ki porun chwa di ba pandap ber ki weida bat ni simru ni kabu ani ko por ban paken mau ya ka arku fratri u ubrai bralet jong ubrai march o khat fratri jong ubrai march nakaliang jiba pandap ilapun pau ba ilong ibakoloi ban banyak keren ya so lada mga kumba dalbot mo bar ka team ko jungi lagi bakuloi kani ka khobor ko basutran ban nakaliang jungi namba ni press media ni pharu i khobor bangi ni sutran ni sukumen kata di ka thong ko ba ka khantin ko ong ba sukki bo penesu na bangi ni ban poi par chata ka thong ko ba lapan khai ka khanam naru ko por ko ba ni sutu ba ka khanam ko compare na preng ki wei pat ki political party dari mat kadau ngim ko bar compromise lagadai hapo layeng lasam ani kadai ki issue ko bangi dei ban ya karan po ka floor jong ka assembly nani hanu no ki panta ti kadir bode sutu nomor ba kat bangi nang ile para mangi kalong ba nginang pentrot daladi dadi ha ko ba ngir nginang don gejing angdot ba nginang penkhan nang sekhaman khamtam ka election jong mau rekening ka don khaman ba ngir ngila shem ka rai ba ngin haban ya sekhaman but sa kindir singin yo ban mana iki candidate given yele election by election to Mawryngkneng.
Speaking on behalf of the client, Advocate Gardenia Shulai said,
20 has reiterated its earlier decision dated 7th February 2019 and again informed and advised Shri Pendap Borthiao Saibon to resolve the above internal party disputes either amicably or by the orders of the competent court, as the Election Commission of India has statutory powers to adjudicate the claim of Shri Pendap Borthiao Saibon. In view of the above reaffirmation of its earlier decision, Election Commission of India and the same was placed before the High Court of Meghalaya, the Learned Division Bench of the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, by order dated 3rd December 2020 in writ appeal number 19 2020 was pleased to take on record the above decision of the Election Commission of India and disposed of the above writ appeal as infructuous. Therefore, as on today, the election of my client as the president of Khun party and the decision of the Election Commission of India by letter dated 15th November 2018 recorded him as the president of the Khun party with his office still remains, and hence the claims of Shri Pendap Borthiao Saibon, reported in various local newspapers and on many occasions claiming himself as the president of the Khun party, is absolutely and without any evidence and basis. My client strongly discourages Shri Pendap Borthiao Saibon not to further mislead the party workers and the public in public domain or otherwise, as his above claim was not accepted by the Election Commission of India and declined by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya.